Okay. Good morning, good afternoon. Depends where you are. Ah, okay, let's start. This is sand. Sand, aja. This is water. In the Bible, Jesus used sand and water with spit. You can see it with his spit. Jesus turned the spit. I am sorry for this thing I'm doing. Jesus used spit, his own spit, not the blind man's spit, to touch the sand like this. This is sand and spit, right? And plaster the blind man eye with this sand and his own spit. Not the blind man's spit too. And plaster the blind man's spit eye like this with the sand from Jesus, with the spit from Jesus' mouth. Plaster the blind man eye with the sand of the earth. After he have done that, he now tell the blind man, say, go to the pool of Bethesda. Use water like this. Water. To do what? To wash your eye. To wash out the sand. So, I want to ask you, is there any pool of Bethesda then? No. Where is that pool? The river. The water that you drink. The stream. The sea. Where is this sand from? The land. What produces sand? Sand come out from the sea, from the land. God said, let there be this, and it was so. Now, in my own ministry, I use sand to walk. I use water to walk. You are calling me a fetish person. I am saying this because of some Christians that your pastor have made you to be dumb. You have become deaf and dumb. Then you see me with this. You said I'm worshiping Mami Water. I'm worshiping idol. I am doing this. Common sense. But when Jesus used these two things, Jesus is not worshiping Mami Water. He's not worshiping idol. Because he gets inspiration from his father, being God. Being Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Whether Jesus exists, he does not exist, I don't want to know. What I believe that he exists. The way I exist, that is the way Jesus exists. Some reason why them are getting it twisted. They are getting it a lot of mistakes. Some native people are getting it a lot of mistakes. The way you existed, that is how that man called Jesus existed. Respect him and respect your own calling. Do you understand? Like the way you existed, now people respect you a lot. Like the way Pharaoh them existed in the Bible, Abraham, that is how Jesus existed. Without his history, Jesus taught us a lot of things. Like those people that hate Jesus. Jesus have taught us a lot of things. Without Jesus walking on top of water, you will not know the meaning of ocean. You will not know the meaning of water. Without Jesus opening the mouth of a fish from water, bring out a fish from water, open the mouth and bring out money to pay sometimes, you will not know that you can go to water and do sacrifice. Without Jesus using sand to pray, you will not know that the sand can do wonders. Without Jesus telling the blind man to go, or the leprosy man to go to the pool of Bethesda and dip yourself 7 times, you will not know that there is power in the water. So only that miracle, people should respect that young man. Only that miracle alone. Only to make your eyes. It's not your forefather that told you this. Jesus did it. And from Jesus, you copy it. So only that one, respect the young man alone. You cannot be coming out to social media. There is nothing like Jesus. It's a name of person. Yes, it's like the way TB Joshua them are. They are even in the next generation. Their name will still exist. Maybe in the next generation now, the late prophet TB Joshua, they can call him Jesus or the Savior. Do you see where these things are going? So, anywhere your calling come, answer it that way. Me, I do traditional and I answer my calling. When I come to altar of God, I do the one I can do. It depends how you receive your own inspiration. That is how you will walk. Some people will ask me, close church and face traditional. Some people will say, close traditional and allow me to do what I want to do. The day they call me, they did not call me and you. Anyhow I want to run my own package, allow me to do it. Whether you do it, apostolic